I just want to show you what's going to be in your capture kit for the capture field exercise. This is actually going to be something you can just do even in Hardin Hall or in your apartment or dorm room. But inside this capture kit are some items that will be fun to work with. We saw in the other video how to set the Sherman trap. And so here's a trap that maybe needs to be adjusted just a little bit so that that door pops open. But you can play around with your adjustment for the Sherman trap. Okay, and then bird banding. There's the bird banding pliers and an aluminum leg band for you to play with. Again, that's a state bird band, not a federal bird band. And so we're not breaking any migratory bird laws here. There's some wraparound color bands. And I'm providing a little golf pencil here for you to practice with, since you don't have your Gary Goldeneye that I had in our introductory video. You can practice putting those wraparound leg bands on a pencil. Now, obviously, there's easier ways to do it, but do it the hard way. Or you can practice, putting it around your own pinky and leg banding yourself. All right. So there you go. And you can do the same with this. Spread it open, and then get it ready so that it can go through over the pencil, and then hold the pencil, pretend that's like a duck leg, and pinch it back down so that you can get all the edges nice and even and straight, and practice that. All right, and then you've got your small mammal tags, and you can take one of those off, and I'll monitor these to make sure you've you may, the first time you do it, you may mess it up if you don't get it quite right. If you get it on the first time, great. If you don't, feel free to use a couple of them, and you can throw away your bad ones and just leave what's left in here for the next person that uses the kit. So that's all the items that should be in your kit, and you can bring it back like that to the front desk. Thanks.